I woke up to go golfing, right? My friend goes, bring a towel. I was like, why?
It's like X golf, dude.
Sopping wet, bro. This is also how we've been holding this down. Oh, Jeff.
No, we good. We good. We live. It's Saturday. How you doing? Oh yeah. Fairway finder. Kirkland special. Right up the left side.
Right, down
Yeah.
left.
Yeah. That. All right. What are you hitting?
9. And I may have said a prayer.
130 out.
I don't know if I've ever hit a better shot out of the sand in my life.
I don't know if he's hit a better shot ever.
All right, get out this bunker.
56, 90 yards. Little tree in our way.
Look at he's cheating.
That's not cheating, guy. That's not cheating. Only on the weekends. Oh yeah. Right on the money. How's your mother?
Out the sand, not a bad shot, boys. Not a bad shot. Oh. All right, let's see if I get it. They call me Sally. They call me Sally. Sally.
Sally sausage.
Spadagueen.
Not bad.
Not
bad.
The rain is stopped. There's no more rain, so that's really good. I normally don't even wear a hat, but I'm wearing a hat. What do you think of it? Let me know. Ended up being beautiful. I shot a, because I didn't count it yet, but that's what I shot because I counted it after I took this video. I'm guessing it's not bad, and it's also under 107. No, we're gonna go under 110. I probably shot 107. It's right here.